I was guessing Catherine Graham. I was wrong. Morgan Stanley just out with quarterly results. Leslie Picker is here. She joins us with those numbers. Hi, Leslie.
Hey, Becky. A big beat on the top and bottom line for Morgan Stanley. Also a big jump in return on tangible common equity and record net revenue in institutional securities. Let's get to it. The bottom line reporting $2.60 per share. That was about a 40-cent beat compared to Wall Street's expectations. Revenue coming in at $17.74 billion in the quarter. ROTCE 23%. That's that return on tangible common equity. Last year, that metric was 19.7%, which is kind of where it hovered throughout the course of 2024 as well. Institutional securities, this is the division that houses investment banking as well as sales and trading. That came in at $9 billion, which the firm says is record revenue for the quarter, which reflected performance in its equity division. Equity net revenue up 45% to $4.1 billion. This is largely equity sales and trading, and the firm says that is due to increases in Asia as well as prime brokerage and derivatives. Fixed income revenue was up 5% due largely to FX volatility and offset with lower results in credit. In terms of investment banking, that revenue was up 8%. That was thanks largely to fixed income revenue, fixed income underwriting, largely due to non-investment grade loan issuance. Global wealth management was a little bit of a miss, but still $7.3 billion in the quarter. And investment management coming in at $1.6 billion. That's that third division that they have. That was up 16%. You can see shares up more than 3% on these results, guys. I'll send it back to you.
So this is Morgan Stanley on the monthly chart, and you can see the most recent leg is down, and in the process it did form a monthly sell level. So at the, we'll say the 138 level, so it's monthly sellers at 138. And that zone was formed from this rally in price, one basing candle, and then the drop. So looking at current price going down and to the left, why did price stop at $94? Well, you do have a resistance support band near that $93 level. Now let's take it down to the weekly chart. And you can see the basing candle that we saw on the monthly chart consists of several candles on the weekly chart. Again, the rally, basing candles, and then the drop. And you can see how price gravitates to this resistance support band. You have resistance, support, resistance, 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 support, and now support again. And it's always a good thing when to open the week price drops, puts in a low, allows the buyers to step in to close higher at the end of the week. Let's go down to the daily chart. And my eyes gravitate to this zone here, drop, basing candles, gap and go. Price attempts to come back, but the sellers are in control, pushes price down. So this becomes a weekly sell level. And this is what we call a level on level, very strong setup if price moves higher. And we're going to call that daily sellers at the 131 level. Now I want to go to current price, go down and to the left. You have this rally, basing candle, and then a rally out. But my eyes gravitate to this level here. It's not fresh, meaning price has returned and entered that zone and then pushed higher. Price penetrated the zone roughly 50%, making this zone still valid. And as you can see on the most recent leg down, price attempted to come down, but the buyers are in control. Sub $96. So where do we go from here? Well, we need price to test and close above that 200-day moving average before price is going to move higher. If you do get a pullback where price forms a lower low, that will still be a buying opportunity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.